sika Jesu uthuna indoda uzomile la ngaphakathi kwakho une gap nje eyomile bathi ndoda ufike la ufika khona ngekafike awumelanga indoda umela uJesu umelanga indoda umela uJesu mangana Jesu uthi unemali igcwele kwemama drugs unemali ne usukela ama drugs womile omela uJesu mama ngikhona ubuze lo mfazi waseSamaria 6 yamadoda 6 uJesu bekabala number 7 ezama uvala igap kaNkulunkulu ngamadoda 6 marafika uJesu uthi Mosoni una 5 yamadoda uthi uthele nale 6 asiya kuyebo uthi sengifuna wena 7 ndaba kuma kaJesu inzima bazalwane iloneliness kaJesu bazalwane ayivalwa izinto zalomhlaba ayivalwa imali ayivalwa umsebenzi ayivalwa ivalwa uye umnikazi wakhe lekama shanda labasana yetha labahaitha makathoyi liba basantha labakai no let me tell you but uNkulunkulu baba singefana but uNkulunkulu kunento ayenza bakasidala but God when he created us he made another place in us that has a void that cannot be closed by anything. UNkulunkulu makasivala baba uNkulunkulu makasenza wasoshaya indawo ongathi umgodi so le ndawo what ngeke umuntu ozoyisatisfy it's only me. So le ndawo le noma phuza inhlobo yotshwala obunjani ayivaleki. Namona uJesu makafika ukuthi lo mfazi ophuza kulamanzi lawo uyophinde ome kodwa ophuza lamanzi ngomnika wona ngeke ome kunaphakade. Uthi lo ozophuza kulamanzi ngomnika wona uthi ngaphakathi kwakhe kuyogobhoza imifula yamanzi. Lo mfazi una 5 yamadoda. Una 5 yamadoda unendoda yi6. Jesu makafika kulo mfazi sana usokole seka and but lo mfazi into ezokuthi aphume entambama ayokhamaza but ubalekela ukuthi amadoda abafazi balamadoda wathethe bazomshaya. Yes. Hey no, it's biblical, go check. Lo mfazi akayembi ngokhamaza lithi waphumila ngaseloshona when you do a let one is a bayibiza yilo kanje. I'll tell you now. Kodwa indaba ibiza istudy sakho when you do the study bathi lo mfazi makaphuma isikhathi it is because the fear yabantu abalwa naye ngenxa yamadoda abo. So uphuma late. Kanti ngalanga uphuma ngalo akazi ukuthi une appointment nengahla kahle. Bazobhekana emehlweni nengahla kahle. Umphakathi somrejected. But this is the thing show. Lo mfazi mistake yakhe uzama uvala igap kaNkulunkulu ngabantu. You know that? Do you know the mistake we were doing? Do you know the mistake we're making? Because always when there's a void kaNkulunkulu we put somebody here. Magne void ufaka indoda. Magne void ufaka intombi. Magne void ufaka boyfriend. Magne void ufaka imali. Yenza lento izovala le gap. Angeke ivale igap kaNkulunkulu. Just say, oh, no, what's not sure now? 6 yamadoda, 5 yamadoda divorce now. Divorce 5 times. Manje, sekaweke lamadoda singing, sekathanana nendoda mfazi. Makafika uyamtshela no, that 5 yamadoda there boss. Propheting na 5. Uthi le 6 asiya. Hayibo, uthi umprofeti kantini na. Wazi ngamthi nendoda mfazi. Yeah, uyabona manje. Uzohamba uthi una 5 yamadoda. Because iloneliness kaNkulunkulu ngakwenza kule nendoda yakho uthi wena awunsatisfied. Let me tell you something. something about couples. There is no human being that can satisfy another human being on earth. Two, do you know what in nature yetu this is the soil, the body that we have is soil. So in nature yetu is hell-like. What is on the here? Isn't it? Is hell-like. Look at says, noma ngakwenzelani empilweni yakho, noma ngakuthengela ibhanoyi. Noma standards now, ngikuthengela ibhanoyi. Sasa, you will complain with something else. Because why? Human being cannot satisfy another human being. Noma ngikuthengela ibhanoyi sithi. Thengela ibhanoyi. Ngithi driver uzosibonela. Uzobuya kusasa uthi uyazothini? Ya ngithengela ibhanoyi, but because why? In nature yetu is hell-like. It's hell-like. In nature yetu we are not satisfied. We were made. Ndelibuza ke, mangithi is hell-like. Mhlawumbe niyadideka. Ndelibuza, likhona iviki weba isihogo samemeza nje, hey, wo, sebafe banenge abantu maseza tell me. Anyway, khona ilanga isihogo sithi ningasabaletha abantu sekwanele bafe kakhulu likhona. Nge-COVID kwakufa thousands people, but isihogo besikhwinye nje phela siyabonga. So in nature yethu we are hell-like. Ngicela ukutshela mntana, noma ungathola indoda enomshiza. Mshiza sesi. Ngekumele. Hlala le ndoda ke nomancanyane, hlala nale ndoda ke nomancanyane. Yes, hlala nale ndoda ke nomancanyane wayo uhlala enteneni. Noma ungathola indoda twane, kuthiwe lona inomshiza, mayishova. Sesi in nature yakho izovuka kusasa ithi ngiyuzula umshiza ngathi ngathola katapila. Nature. Velo yethu. But for them to do it, hey, let's do that. Hey, let's do this. No more to stay as they pull a Sarki Batman. The man Sarki Batman. The Zaibun as to Sarki at a citadel Marazona Savena. Egunele, in nature your mundo is evil. It was made from earth. Yatalom Shabbat. Please call up Do you know ukuthi abafazi abaningi abahamba bashiya emakhaya abo abafazi abenzela konke? Do you know ukuthi abafazi abenzela konke bayamunga? Do you know ukuthi abafazi abangenzela next bayahlala emzini yabo? Bonke abafazi abenzela yonke into abadodoswayo. Tshela kahle ngiyahamba, ahambe. Kuthi lo mfazi ohlele enzima indoda engamenzela next. Athi ngiyabhekezela ngiyahlala la. Why? Because in nature ayibonga, imvelo yethu ayibonga. It ukuthi indoda ithola umfazi omuhle oyihloniphayo oyithandayo oyenzela konke hambe uyofeba ngaphandle. Neyibune imbashile lengaphandle ungagotshiswanga lengaphandle senzelo ungagezwanga lengaphandle. Uyazi nale sex ukugijima nale sex uyazi nale sex uyazi why akusunguye i-nature unless ithola uJesu imvelo yakho. Mazihambele nakuleli khaya hambile la ngene lokhu yazi akwazi kwenza lento yazi. Okay, lo muntu akakwazi kwenza lento beka u95%. Ukwazi kwenza 95% izinto eziright ufeyila ku5% so hambile. Ufuna ukubezela umuntu nga5%. So bezela 5%. Pero wewe Nigerian na Kalau buta sa Afrika kono ngefia. Lo buta sa Afrika ngefia. What you need to put Jesus in. When you put Jesus in, He occupies the whole space. When your husband comes, he adds or she adds. She does not start you from the beginning. Uyingozi mabe unifoundation yakho ile kumuntu. Uyingozi mabe wena uthi wena mina impilo yami yonke idepende 100% indodeni yakho. Uyingozi because umuntu ufana nesandla uyashelela. Your life must be founded upon Jesus. Then when a boyfriend comes, he adds. When a husband comes, he adds. If your source of joy is your husband, is your boyfriend, source yomuntu yonke fanele kube uJesu. Bese mashilo yafika akestina aede phezu kwale foundation yakhe uJesu. And ijoy kaNomthandazo ayincikanga kumashile, ijoy kaNomthandazo incike kuJesu bese umashile uyafika ede. Ngoba you made a mistake from the word go. Ungasayifunda thana namhlanje. Walinga zokuthi wena waphonsa yonke impilo yakho. Okay. Which was wrong because impilo yakho mukiphonse kuJesu. Nitholeleni ngishumayeza. So phila kuphi uzana kuse baba uphila kuphi kuse kusho magama uma uthola uJesu uthola ukuphila. Lo muntu wakho makafika ukuthola vele sophilile ngoba sonako ukuphila akaqali phansi eda phezulu ukuphila onako. Khona mntana abantu lo mkhulu ngentaba ngifuna wenze so. Ngikhona zonke le tala ngiyakhathala nabo. Ngikhona. Thatha uJesu. Thatha uJesu mntakababa. Wabona Jesu complaina why uthi kuphela beka ukudla lokudla ku-tasty ma kunetswayo eliningi lokudla nalamabhanana lawa kufuneka benjena kufuneka right banana right ha yini bethuna na Don't just complain for you. Don't just give thanks for everything. Don't just appreciate it. Might not be to the level of my best, but thank you. Why? Because learn appreciation from Jesus. Emzalwane kuyabonga. Emzalwane uyabo bonga omncane ubonga okhulu emzalwane uyabonga emzalwane uyabonga omncane ubonga okhulu just appreciate Khona thatha bonga yabonga umuntu uyabonga ngoba uJesu uthanda ukubonga. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Oh, Bamkosi, sometimes I was so Bamkosi vuka. Athi dad yini? Bamkosi vuka. Yini? Lafi ngiyabonga. Manje ubongani? Ungiphatha kahle. Ungaphatha Jesu uyabonga. Uphathe kahle nini kodwa ngoba nami ngiyibhayi. No. Asiyeke lokho kunye kodwa ngiyabonga ngomphatha kahle. Why? Le ndumiso ayiveli kuwe, ivela from within you, ivela kuJesu. Vuka. Lele. Benze njani? Asikhulume lendaba le. Le last week ifransa ngisithe. Phela lamadoda.